what we thought was, if Wi-Fi, this machine is available and a laptop is available, we can get all these clearances from the airport authority at the cockpit itself if you want. So the captain need not even come down. We go to the captain, get the clearances made, and then what is left would be the immigration only. So that is one job less. So this is to make a stranger welcome him as a friend. If you remember, the old slogan was welcome a stranger and send back a friend. Now we are telling that welcome a stranger coming in is welcomed as a friend and then sent back as a friend. So we want them, the airport operator, to go to the airport aircraft and get their processing done and make them feel comfortable. So this will help us in getting more and more charter flights. Charter flights, these are all steps which are being taken for landing charges. Where committee undi akkada airport authority lo, they are trying to reduce the work out the RNFC charges, landing charges ani. Nothing has been decided. It will be trying to, the committee is looking into it. All these things will come in that, the landing charges, RNFC charges for airports and all. There's a separate committee looking into it to reduce it. As I said, మనం వాళ్ళని ఫెసిలిటేట్ చేయాలి. ఎక్కువ ఇబ్బంది పెడితే దే విల్ నాట్ ఫ్లై. అంటే ఇప్పటికే వాళ్ళ మీద ఎక్కువ భారం ఉంది, అది రెడ్యూస్ చేయాలని చెప్పి ఈ కమిటీలన్నీ పెట్టాను. CAPAC is the Civil Aviation Aeronautical Products Advisory Council. That was a committee of Indian manufacturers and the airport. So what we have done today in the yesterday's meeting was, one, we were looking at the action taken on the previous committee's meeting, the meeting of the previous meeting of the committee, which was held in somewhere in November. So we had planned, we had made two subgroups, one on regulatory and one on policy matter. They have submitted a report, and national aeronautic policy gurinchi kuda we have discussed. Inga announced cheyaledu, draft policy undi, and that is being discussed now. No policy decisions would be taken now. And second is regulation law. What are the things which should be taken up to promote aeronautical product manufacture in the country? Dani gurinchi kuda charcha jarigindi. And third point which we discussed was one on the national aircraft design. National civil aviation aircraft design chestunaru India. India is planning to design a national civil aviation aircraft. దాని గురించి కూడా డిస్కస్ చేసాము. అండ్ ద బెస్ట్ పార్ట్ వాస్ దట్ సిన్స్ ఇట్ వాస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్, దట్ బ్రాట్ ఇన్ ది కమిషనర్ ఇండస్ట్రీస్ అండ్ కమిషనర్ ఏపీఐఐసి వైస్ చైర్మన్ వాస్ హియర్. ఆడిబెట్లో మనకు వీ హ్యావ్ దిస్ ఏవియేషన్ ఎసీజెడ్, అది షోకేస్ చేయడం జరిగింది. అండ్ ది పాలసీస్ ఆఫ్ ది స్టేట్ గవర్నమెంట్, what are the things, facilities which the state government is planning to give to set up aviation industry in Andhra Pradesh. Adu kuda it was showcased to many of the major aviation product manufacturers in the country. Vallu chaala mandi vacharu, Mahindra, then Tanejas and then Tata vallu, the fellows, people who are in the forefront, NAL, HAL, all were here for the meeting yesterday. They were shown the incentives and policies of the state government. You have heard Karnataka government ippudu chesaru kada, Karnataka government. Similarly, we also could showcase Karnataka government facilities were showcased in the last meeting at CAPAC in Bangalore. This is in Hyderabad. We try to showcase the Hyderabad facilities. So it's up to the industries to come and establish their industries, but we tell that this is the facilities available. These are the facilities, infrastructure offered by the state government. These would be the committees or single point contact point for setting up the institution. It's just the starting of discussion. There's a committee Prime Minister had approved in 21st July 2013. Committee was established, directed to look at the design and construction, manufacture of a civil aircraft in India. So that HAL, NAL and all are, there's SPV has been formed to look at what is the type of engine, what is the number of seat, 70 or 80 or 100 a seat, they have to decide on that. That is one thing which they are taking it up. and maybe in 2-3 months time, at least the specifications would be finalized. What type of engine? There's a turboprop engine is there, turbojet engine is there. Adede kavale. What should be the size, number of seats? 70, 100, 130, 45. That these all to be frozen in about 3-4 months time.